channel, guys. Today we are going to plant spinach seed in the soil. I am using spinach seed in my garden soil, and we will also show you the harvest stage of the spinach. So spinach thrives in cool weather with optimal growth between 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, but it can germinate from 10 to 22 degrees Celsius and tolerate temperature from near freezing to about 30 degrees Celsius. So heat makes it bold, that is go to seed, and taste bitter. So let's prepare the garden soil now. It needs to be aerated and it prefers well drained sandy loamy soil. If you have clay soil, you can amend the soil by adding coco peat, organic matter. I will also add cow dung compost in the soil to increase its fertility. Right now I am removing all the weeds from the soil. You can plant spinach in garden bed in your kitchen garden, and right now I am adding coco peat and compost mixture in the soil. So as I was saying, you can plant spinach in the garden bed, and also you can plant it in the small planter. You can use 10-inch pot, 12-inch pot to plant spinach. It is very easy to grow in small spaces as spinach is a very shallow rooted plant, so it doesn't need a very large amount of soil beneath the roots. So that's why shallow pots are enough. So we have to till the soil as well, as I am planting in my kitchen garden. For best result, plant spinach in cool, moist soil and provide partial shade in warmer condition to prevent the bolting. We have to plant spinach seed at a depth of about 1 centimeter from the surface. So we will dig small holes in the soil and then sow the seeds, cover them with the soil, water them, and within 5 to 7 days, the seedlings will emerge. After that, if the soil is still wet, we will prevent more wetting of the soil because it may lead to root rot. However, if the soil is dry and moisture is less, we will again water the soil. So the tip for watering the plants in winter is, if the soil is wet, we will not water it, and if it is dry, we will water the soil. spinach plants that I had planted about 40 days ago. From seed to leaf, it has matured, and right now I had already taken one harvest of these leaves. You can harvest the leaf from the side of the plant and it will continue to grow from the center, or you can wait for more time and after a few days you can harvest the whole plant as well. Thank you guys for watching. Do like and subscribe the channel.